Is your parrot coughing or looking uncomfortable? Let's learn what to do step by step.
Day 1. Keep your parrot in a warm and clean place. Give fresh water and healthy food so it can rest.
Make sure your bird is comfortable and stress-free. A calm environment helps birds recover faster. Day 2. Observe your parrot closely. Check if the coughing is getting better.
Day 3. If the bird looks more active, continue giving good food, water, and rest.
If the cough continues or the bird looks weak, contact a bird veterinarian for proper help.
With the right care and attention, your parrot can stay healthy, happy, and full of life.